So this is a pocket dump. I was making a video earlier, but memory card is full, and I already had the stuff laid out, so whatever. I just thought I'd do it over. So my light, I went tactical today. EDC to the San Francisco Museum of Modern Arts. This free admission is their 75th birthday, and I just carried this. I didn't really get to use this today. Whatever. I carried this. I went tactical with my knife, or a little more tactical from my Griptilian that I use, my Doug Ritter Griptilian that I usually carry. And I've been carrying this brush pen I got from Jet Pens, Zebra something, because I was too lazy to put it back in that backpack, and my Lamy Swift, which has been my current EDC pen. The roller ball extremely smooth, and it's got some wear here because I was carrying my Balisong in my pocket for a little bit. And as always, my Palm Trio, and something I picked up recently, chapstick, because it's in the winter. Now, and my lips get chappy. And also, well, the main reason was because the cap fits my my Prion 2. And there's a low, medium, high, low, medium, high, strobe. I got the beacon, SOS or something. I don't know what that is. Low, medium, high. Looks really cool. So it looks at the diffuser, and kind of a new addition, my old 2 GB flash drive, because I'm taking an introduction to digital photography, and it's good to keep my photos in. I also carry my pocket. It's just a card adapter for the SD SanDisk, because cords, if you use the direct link from your camera to the computer, it kills the battery life. So these are great. And that's it. I have the same wallet, which is the Skull Medallion Medium or something. Whatever. Thick ass wallet. I should probably get a thinner one. And yeah, that's everything. So I'll have a couple more review videos later. I realized I've had the Spyderco Sage 1 with the carbon fiber scales for a long time, but I never did a review on it. So I'll probably do a